Hello techies. In our previous tutorial, we have learned how to retrieve a list of all teams which are available in the Microsoft team by using list team action. Now, in this tutorial, we will learn how to get the or retrieve the list of channels which are available in the particular team. Let me show you a small scenario. Let me switch to Microsoft Teams. Now, if you see, I am having the teams, that is Conteso, onboarding employees, and build team. These are my three teams which we are having in our Microsoft Teams, right? Now, I want to retrieve the channels which are available in the particular team, such as if I want to retrieve the channels which are available in Conteso, what are the channels that I'm having? One is general, dev team member, operation team. These are the channels which I'm having, right? How can I go ahead and retrieve the channels which are available in the particular team? There I'm having an action called list channels in Power Automate desktop. Let me drag and drop this action onto the workspace. List channel action retrieves a list of all channels available in the specific team over here. Now if you see the parameters, I'm having team. Let me drop down that. There you can see once I have connected to the connection reference for the Microsoft Teams, there I will get the list of all teams which are available in Microsoft Teams. Right now, what I have to do, I have to get all the channels which are available in the particular team, that is Conteso. Now, what are the lists are available in the particular team? All the lists will be stored inside my variable, that is get channels for group response. All right, let me click on save. Now let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. There you can see by using list channel, it is trying to retrieve all the channels available in the particular team, that is Conteso. The flow has executed successfully. Now, if you go for the response or the output, you can see over here get channels for group response. Let's double click on that. There you can see for the get channels for group response, I am having the properties such as word data context and word data count. That is nothing but in the particular team, I'm having three channels over there. And the values you can see over here, what are the values that we have? Let's click on more. There you can see I'm having three channels. One is dev team members, another one is operation team. The third one is the general, which is a default channel for every team. All right, let me click on more over here for one of the channel. There you can see I'm having ID, which we are going to use for the future purpose. This ID space is that we are going to work it, right? And then you can see display name and the description. And E is favorite by default, it's a true. And E is it email, blank. Tenant ID, web URL, membership type is standard of the particular channel. All right. Now let me click on close. Now, if we observe in my list channels, the team name I have given it as a static. How can we go ahead and we will give it dynamically over here, the team name? All right. We'll see that as a small working session. If you observe over here, the team, if you click on the information button over here, it is asking for the team ID over here. Whatever you are going to pass it over here, you should give it as a team ID. So from where we are going to get the team IDs? In our previous tutorial, we have learned how to retrieve the list of teams, right? From the Microsoft Teams by using list team action. So in the output response, there you can see over here, get all teams response over here. Let's double click on that. There you can see I'm having three teams. Again, there when you click on more, I'm having all the display names over here such as Conteso, build team, onboarding employees, right? Now, if you click once again on more, there you can see I'm having an ID. This is the team ID which we are going to pass for the list of channels. So if you see the output over here for the list teams, I'm having list of values, correct? If you go back over here, there you can see list of connector objects are available. If I'm going through the looping through these teams, then I will get all the list of channels one by one in the particular team. All right, let me click on close. So to go through each and every team, what is the action that we are going to use? Looping action that we are going to use. That is for each action that I'm going to use it. Let me drag and drop this for each action onto the workspace. What is this for each action will do? It iterates over the item in a list, right? So what is the list that we have? List of teams that we are having in get all teams response, correct? I'm going to select the variable over here, value to iterate. I'm going to select the variable. What is the variable that I have? I'm having get all teams response. Let me expand this, and then I'm going through the loop of values. I'm going to select get all teams response dot value. All right, let me select that. And then while each and every iteration, I'm going to store the output inside my current item variable. I can say current team, I will say that. And then I'm going to save it. In the current item, I'm going to store the value of ID, right? That ID, I want to pass it to the list channels. So that what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag this list channels inside the for each. And what is the changes that we are going to make it for the list channel? I have to pass the team as ID as current team dot ID. Let me double click on the list channels. Let me modify the team over here by deleting it. And then I'm going to select the variable that is current team dot ID, right? And the output will be stored whatever the team that we have given through the loop, that team output will be stored inside my variable that is get channels for group response. All right, let me click on save. Now to show you the output for each and every channel, I have given a breakpoint over here on for each action. All right, let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. At the first step, it will retrieve the list of all teams from the Microsoft Teams by using list teams action. Then it will go through the each and every team. There you can see I'm having list of channels over there. It will try to retrieve from the particular channel. Now if you see, I have given the breakpoint over here so that if you see the output flow variables over here, get channels for response. Let's double click on that. There you can see in my channel, the first channel is Conteso, right? In my Conteso that I'm having 3 channels, which is the value we can see over here by clicking on more. There you can see I'm having display name as dev team member, right? Operation team and general. Now we'll see that by using a Microsoft Teams. If you see in the Conteso, I'm having general, dev team members and operation, correct? Now let me click on close and let me run the next action. There you can see for the second team, it is trying to retrieve the channels. Now for the second team, let me get all the channels response. In my second team, I'm having only one channel. Let's click on more. What is the channel name? There you can say I'm having default as general. Now once again, if we compare over there, in onboarding employees, I'm having only general, as well as build team also I'm having only general, right? Now let me click on close and let me click on run. Now if you see in my third team, I'm having only one channel that is general, right? Now the raw data count is 1, and if you click on more, I'm having only one channel that is general. All right, my desktop flow has executed successfully. All right, I hope you understand how to retrieve the channels which are available in the particular team by using the action list channel action as part of this tutorial.